Just finishing up a 1,200 mile round trip to Fort Knox from Fort Bragg and back, and just wanted to show you what it was like to cruise in blackjack. So first of all, I got my tunes, little Smashing Pumpkins going, and cruising at about 73, 74 miles an hour. The last time I reset that, the last refill, I've got 356 miles, but 5 miles later, 4.8 miles to be exact later, I reset that. So I'm figuring it's about 4% off. When I get to a stop, I can reset the Dakota Digital Dash. So I'm going, 73, 74, chilling, probably 1800, 1850 RPM. AFR gauge is 14.7 to 15, give or take. I've kicked off the boots to get comfortable, and the car is full of travel gear and a little bit of bootlegged bourbon from the great state of Kentucky, back to where I live now. I was stationed at Fort Knox, my last duty station, so it was great to see some friends, and I really enjoyed making the trip in blackjack, but yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little taste. Love this car.